is whether the claimants are entitled to judgment on the failure of the defendants to file a defense to this suit. The originating process was validly served on the first defendant on 17th April 2025 and on the second defendant on 11th June 2025. Proof of service, that's Exhibit A and B, have been duly filed and are before this court. The 14 days within which the defendants ought to file their defense have long elapsed since 1st May 2025 for the first defendant and 25th June 2025 for the second defendant. Neither the first defendant nor the second defendant has filed any defense to the claimant's suit. The second defendant filed a motion for extension of time, but this motion was struck out by this court on 11th May 2026 due to the defendant's failure to attend court to move the application. By virtue of the defendant's failure to file a defense, the facts pleaded by the claimants in their complaint statement of material facts and written statement on oath are deemed admitted. The claimants have provided detailed particulars of their employment, job descriptions, monthly salaries, and the total arrears owed totaling about 181,100,000 as at the date of this ruling. No defendant has filed any application for extension of time to file a defense that is pending before this court. The second defendant's motion was struck out and the first defendant filed no process whatsoever. The claimant's claim is for salary arrears, a debt or liquidated money demand under Order 35, Rule 1 of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria Civil Procedure Rules 2017, where the claim is for a debt or liquidated demand only, and the defendant fails to file a defense, the claimant is entitled to apply for final judgment for the amount claimed. In conclusion, and having carefully considered the claimant's applicant's motion or notice dated 10th October 2025, the supporting affidavit, the exhibits attached thereto, the written address of the claimant's applicants, the record of this court, and the provisions of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria Civil Procedure Rules 2017, it is hereby ordered as follows. Judgment is hereby entered in favor of the claimant's applicants against the defendant's respondents, jointly and severally in default of defense. The defendants are hereby ordered to pay the claimants the sum of 181,100,000 naira, representing the claimants' unpaid salary for 10 years. The defendants shall pay interest on the judgment sum at the rate of 10% per annum from the date of judgment until the full and final payment of the judgment debt. No cost is awarded, parties to bear their respective costs. Ruling entered accordingly. So this is the ruling of the court. Pleases. Yes.
Yes, my lord. As the court pleases.
Yes.
I thank my lord for this insightful judgment. My lord, I'm very grateful. We are grateful.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Your copy of the ruling will be ready within the week from now to Friday.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
I'll come this week. I'll come this week. This week. Okay. I'll come this week. This week. I'll come this week. What's happened now? Complex, they don't go. They don't come out. They don't come out. Secretary, Biano. Secretary. They sleep. Oh. Secretary. Hey, so make you come now. Heat. Okay. Is it okay? Is it headache or headache?